Greetings! This video is going to walk you through how to keep your teams organized, how to find teams when you need them, and how to find class meetings so you can join them. So let's jump in. As you can see, I'm over here in my teams, and I am a member of a lot of teams. So here's the first tip. When you're in this view, which is called your tile view, you can click and drag and rearrange your teams. This means that you can put them in any order that you wish. This can help. However, I want to show you how to change views. Up here in the top right-hand corner, if we click on the More Options gear, we can go to Switch View. When we switch view, we can go from the grid view to the list view. Now inside the list view, instead of having that large page of all your teams are now stacked along the left-hand side, and you can simply open up the drop-down menu beside each one to view the contents. Additionally, you can still click and drag to rearrange the order of your teams. And the nice part is if you rearrange them, they should stay in the order in which you put them. Now, for our third organizational tip, we're going to come back down to the gear here at the bottom and choose Switch View, and we're going to switch back to the tile or grid view. Once we've switched, we can click the X, and this time we're going to go up to the gear at the top. Once we're in here, we're going to choose Manage Teams. What this does is it takes us over to a fully alphabetized list of all the teams for which we're a member, and it gives us a search box up here at the top. So, if I know the teacher's name or part of the team name that I'm looking for, I can type that in, I get a filtered list, and all I have to do is click one time on the class name that I'm looking for, and it opens that team and gives me access to all their channels. Pretty simple. But now let's talk a little bit about joining existing class meetings. So what I'm going to do is let's flip over to a different account. So now, as you can see, I've joined a different class on a different account. And I can see the different channels this teacher set up: general, announcements, help, and a couple units. However, I don't see that there's any current class meetings taking place. But I want to draw your attention to this hidden channel option at the bottom. So if I click on this, you'll notice that I have a single channel over here that isn't being shown by default, and it's called the Meetings channel. Most likely that's where the class meeting's taking place. So I'm going to click on the word Show, and it will add that to our list. And lo and behold, there's the icon we've been looking for, the purple video camera. That tells me that there is a current class meeting going on right now. So to join this class meeting, I'm going to click on that channel. I'm going to find the post for that meeting, and it looks like it's meeting right now. And I'm going to click the purple Join button. So the first thing I see is the Join dialog. Here, I have the option to turn on or off my video camera and on or off my microphone. Then I click Join Now. And it looks like this meeting has a waiting room in place. So I have to wait for the teacher to let me in. This is why it's a good reason to talk to your teachers about keeping an eye on that lobby. They're going to receive a notification anytime someone tries to join, so they should let you in pretty quickly. And there I am. I just got to join the meeting as an attendee. So at this point in time, I am viewing this as a student would see the class. So that's really all there is to organizing your teams, finding the team you need, and joining a meeting.